Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Fandango if you have not logged out. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fandango.com and press enter. Just make sure to do this in the browser that you have not signed out from your account. Now once you enter the website, you can find the account icon at the top right corner. So go ahead and click on it, and if you have not been logged out from your account previously, when you click on this button, you will be taken into your account dashboard. Now once you have been taken into your dashboard, simply click on the sign out button at the very right side underneath my account, and as soon as you do this, you will be signed out from your account on Fandango and you will once again be taken into the login page. And now you have successfully signed out from your account on Fandango. If you wish to log in once again, you can simply enter your email address followed by your password and click on the sign in button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign out from your account on the Fandango application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.